going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. I gotta show you something. Obviously, we got a plug toilet here. You guys can see. Sewage everywhere. Right. So basically we noticed a clean out here, but I wasn't able to get it off. I think they cemented it in. So we pulled the toilet and we're gonna snake that toilet line. It's a good place to put you guys. You guys want to see the drain? Or do you want to see my pretty face? Yeah, maybe we'll do that. So we're going to be using the K50 today, just because we had to go down a bunch of stairs, and we're kind of thinking this might be a city issue. But we're not exactly sure. So these are 7.5 feet each, and this is the first connection. I don't think this is a city issue. I think maybe there's a trap right here that they took out, and that's the issue. Alright, so this is 45 feet right there, and this wall is the front of the building. So either I went backwards or this is definitely a city issue. So I'm gonna put the other 15 feet in, pull it out, and see kind of what we see. Pull it out and see what we find. We may even just end up breaking that clean out. Nothing came back. Well, so what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go outside, like the city streets right here. You got the sidewalk and then the city street. I'm gonna go out and I am going to check the city manhole, see if it's plugged up. If it's not, we are going to break that clean out cover off. So I'm gonna shut the camera off and I will be back in a second for you guys, but a few minutes for me. All right, let's go see what we find. All right, so we figured out, we believe it's not the city issue. I'm gonna be breaking the clean out and making sure that we're actually going out. So ah, yes, son of a... It's always fun when you splash sewage on yourself, isn't it? Alright. So I'm thinking that is a trap. Yeah, so that's a trap. So I don't understand how I was going backwards. Definitely seeing grease down there. Alright, so you've seen this toilet was right up before. So they're definitely gonna have to give this a clean and not let any of this stuff go down the drain. So we're gonna put everything back together. This is where I'm gonna leave you guys. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trogna.